What's up guys, welcome back with another video. Today we'll be checking out an AirPods Pro case. Now this case is from Pitaka. I have a link down below in the description where you guys can purchase one for yourself. It is going to start at $69. Now this is a protective case. It is made of 600D aramid fiber. Now this is definitely not your typical silicone case. Now it does say that it has a military grade material which is often used in racing cars but also in body armors. Even though you utilize this case, you'll also be able to charge wirelessly without removing the AirPods Pro. So let's check these out. So you're gonna receive the package in a box in a cardboard which will have the sticker on the front, and the first thing you'll see is of course the name right here. It says AirPal Mini for AirPods Pro, which is made of the 600D aramid fiber. So let's unbox these and check these out. So once you remove the cardboard, the first thing you will see is of course the box. You're going to have the brand right here, Pitaka. If you do not know the brand Pitaka, this brand actually makes phone cases such as for Apple iPhones, Samsung phones, OnePlus phones, and many other brands. Now on the right side of the box, once again it's going to say 600D aramid fiber. It's going to say that this is made of a luxury material. It's silky and it's soft touch. Other than that, let's unbox this case and check these out. Now the first thing in the box that you will see is a thank you note on both sides, as you can tell. Now as you remove what's inside this package, you will have a thank you note right here, and the other side you will have a VIP treatment. Now this QR code will allow you to get a double time on your warranty, and then you're going to get a user manual which will be in English, which shows you how to install the AirPods Pro in the protective case and also how to remove them. You are able to use this QR code if you would like to see a video instructions instead of using this user manual. Now just want to quickly mention that the moment I opened this box, there was a strong perfume that smells really good, maybe a little bit too strong, that smells a little bit like a woman's perfume. I'm not sure about this, but it does smell really strong. Other than that, in the box you will have the case right here, which is made of the 600D aramid fiber, which looks really good. As you can tell right here, it looks similar to their phone cases. Now of course you will have their brand right here, Pitaka, and the LED hole right here, which you will be able to see the green LED from the AirPods Pro case. Finally, in the box you will have a loop, a little ring, a loop, which you'll be able to put it on your pants, on your belt, but also on your backpack. Now I would not recommend you to put your AirPods Pro in this case and then attach it to your backpack, because this is really easy. You can easily get it stolen, but I wouldn't mind that much by putting it on my belt, something like that. As you can tell, it looks really good. That's a 360 degrees view of this case right here. And obviously you will have the lid for the AirPods Pros, and of course you will have a sticker right here which asks you to remove it, to peel it off before using it. And also it is reusable by washing it. There's a washable gel. So to install these AirPods Pros are really simple. What you're gonna do is simply put in the case. I'm just gonna show that it works. Okay, I'm gonna put in the case the AirPods Pro, really simple. And then what you're gonna do is to remove the sticker right here. So I'm just gonna peel it off. Okay, you can pull this tab off. As you can tell, here's the tab. Now that it's gone, what you're gonna do is simply put the cover of the lid of the case on the AirPods Pros. As you can see, there we go. We've got, that's the back, and that's the front. And now we can open the case, as you can see, without any problems. And of course you'll be able to see the green LED in the front. Now I've got to say, this case feels really good. For $69, are they worth it? I mean, if you're someone who likes luxury products, if you're someone who likes premium quality, then this is a major go. Now for the price, maybe if it was a little bit cheaper, that would be great. But once again, this is made of 600D aramid fiber. If you guys have used Pitaka phone cases and have enjoyed using them, then I'm pretty sure you guys will like these AirPods Pro cases. And of course, they also sell the AirPods 2 cases, but go check them out. Once again, links will be down below in the description where you guys can purchase one for yourself. And this is really cool. Hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Once again, links down below in the description. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Give a big thumbs up to this video if you did enjoy. And I'll catch you guys very soon with other videos. Peace out. Let it go, make my body go. Make our bodies higher and higher.